Here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a sticky floating bar into your WordPress website header, just like this one showing unlimited time offer, okay, to get a discount and a coupon code with a link in a button, just like a call to action. How to add this bar into your WordPress website for free. This is what we're gonna learn into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for friends of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose internet on the site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover your mouse over plugins and click into the sub-menu, add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to the keyword field, you're going to be able to find a field called search plugins. Click and type Firebox, just like this. Pop-up builder, on-page load pop-up, exit pop-up, login pop-up, on-click sticky bar, and add block. Click on install now and click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Scrolling down just a little bit and review the left sidebar of menus once again. Next to settings, you're gonna be able to find the Firebox. Hover your mouse over it and click on new campaign. You can create a campaign from the beginning, from the zero, okay? Or you can go to the overview option, still on the left sidebar of menus. Leave this page and click on new campaign. From this panel, you're gonna be able to open the templates, okay? So right here, all you have to do is scroll down just a little bit and choose this option, limited time offer sticky bar. Hover your mouse over it and click on install, insert. Wait a moment. Now you can publish. And now in all of the pages on your site, you're gonna be able to see this banner. But how to customize it? For example, imagine that you don't like the text right here. You can customize it. You can apply links. You can change the buttons. You can change the layout. And if you scroll down just a little bit, you can change the design, pop-up size, campaign, font size, padding, margin, text color, background color can be customized as well. The position, the shadows. We can even customize the close button, animations, borders. We can apply overlay in the case that we want. We can apply background image in the case that we want. Let me update into the upper right corner of my screen. And let's review the results we are getting. Seems like I'm loading cache. Nothing to worry. Let's keep editing. Now we can go to behavior. Position, we can change it from top left to center. Middle center. We can have the pop-up mode, the campaign mode, page slide or classic. The trigger point can be on page load, on page ready, or on click, even on hover or manually. We can apply some delay. We can set a behavior for closing. We can set on for accessibility. Now we can move to the display. and we have to set some conditions. Imagine the following scenario. You can set conditions to apply this. Only into some specific page, for example, okay? So imagine some special condition, okay? You can display to any page that have, for example, this date, this week, some menu, some post, some page. So in all the page. So match is page, shop, cart. We can set some page to appear this. Or of course, we can make it appear in all of the pages. We have actions and advanced tabs where we can apply some custom codes in the case that you need. And of course, we can set statistics, RTL, prevent page scrolling, test mode. Let's publish. Let me go back to the design. I don't like this color. It's too dark. This is gonna solve it. And here is our ad. Let's go to the plugin. Let's move to campaigns. Let me remove one. I have created one for test. And here is our campaign. Of course, we can fully customize this, okay, this content, these links, and until you get the results you got. Simple, easy, and very effective. And if you go to the overview option, you can see the performance track, okay? How many people not see your campaign, and other important parts. We have submissions according to the campaign. Imagine that you have some form, for example, you're gonna receive the submissions right here. And the sets. Okay, easy. We can track analytics. We have data. The key in the case I want to go premium. We can show copyright, debug, admin bar or not, load style sheet, and load velocity. Simple and easy. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg, or Enzu WordPress theme, the best WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want, or Growth.net platform, CS, a marketing platform where you can promote your blog and submit it for receiving and publishing guest posts, or sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery. You can promote your site, your app, your landing page, or game design. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more features to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!